Welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to go through a few steps to make sure that we are enabled for live streaming, and then we are going to take a look at what we will need to do. So what you want to do is to go to the status and features area, and you want to check to make sure that this button that says live streaming is now enabled. It should be if you have taken the other steps that we have discussed. You also want to make sure that you can embed live streams, and this means that you will be able to take your live stream and place it on your website. So given that these two things have actually been done, we can now go to the live streaming section in order to take a look at what it will take for you to be able to do video in real time. So you'll want to go to the left-hand side menu and click live streaming. And then that will bring you to this screen. And one of the simplest ways for you to be able to get started creating live streams is to go to the events area. When you get to the events area, what you're going to want to do is to click the new live event button. And you're going to notice that you're going to be able to write in your title, your description, any keywords, and then you'll be able to designate a time that you want your live stream to begin and that you can give other people the link in order to watch you in real time. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And what you'll notice is that we have a title, we have a description and a link there, and then we also have some keywords there. Now, one of the other things that you'll want to do is to make sure that you have the time when you want to have it. You can literally go live in real time exactly when you set this up. So we're going to, for the sake of time, we're going to say that we're going to go live right now. Now, if you currently have a webcam or you want to record what is going on your computer screen, then you'll want to use this button, which is the quick button, using Google Hangouts on Air. When you do that, Google is going to open up its Google Hangouts on Air stream, and you will be able to broadcast through YouTube through Google Hangouts on Air. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to click the Go Live Now button, and then you're going to see the Google Hangouts on Air box come up. You're going to get a message from Google saying that you want your Google Hangout on Air to go live, so you will click the OK button. Now, Google will typically, when you first get started, give you a message and ask you if it can use your microphone and your camera. Now, in this particular case, we are not going to record our camera. So we're going to go in Google Hangouts. We're going to disable that camera. But we're going to allow Google to use our camera when it opens up Hangouts on Air. So let's go ahead and allow it. And what you're going to find is that we have disabled the camera. So we will not be able to use our camera in order to go live. So now there are a couple of things that we are going to want to do. Now, one of those things is that we are going to want to make sure that other people have the link so that they can watch us live. And the way that you do that is you will go to this area of the Hangout on Air. You will grab this link and you will pass this around and you will let other people know that this is where you are going to be live and where they can watch you. Now, let's say that you wanted to set up your live stream ahead of time. You wanted to schedule it. What link would you give people? When you have an actual live stream, whether it's scheduled or live, you can go to this link, you can right-click it, you can copy the address, and then you can pass that link to other people, and they can either join you live or they can join you when the Hangout actually starts. Now, when you're in the Hangout on Air area, you will actually be offline until you hit the Start Broadcast button. Now, one important aspect of this is that Google Hangouts on Air will allow you to broadcast what is on your computer screen. So if you want to click this button, you will then be able to choose one of your screens and be able to broadcast live what other people will want to see on your screen. Now, if you want to do that, you can click Share any one of the screens. If not, you can close this dialog box. Now, when you're ready and your camera is ready and everything is happening the way you want, you can click the Start Broadcast button and you will be creating video in real time. Now, what's important to know about this process is that once your video is complete, it will be landing on YouTube. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to click the Start Broadcast button briefly. Google will give you a message. You're going to click OK. And then what's going to happen is that you will start to see that Google is saying that your Hangout on Air is starting. It will say then it is live. And you are literally broadcasting in real time, and other people can watch you while you are talking. Of course, if you want to turn on your camera, you can do that, or you can actually share your screen. Once you've completed your broadcast, what you can do is click the Stop Broadcast button. And if you click this button, then that will actually end what you are recording. So we're going to click the Stop Broadcast button at this point. So now that our broadcast has been successfully terminated, we will now be able to go to our YouTube channel and see a processing video. So let's turn off Google Hangouts on Air. And now let's go to the Video Manager to see if we have a processing video. And you will see that our live streaming is actually processing. And in some time that it will actually be complete with its processing, and you will be able to share this just as if you would be sharing any other YouTube video. And those are the basics of going live using YouTube. And with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.